Biker Stuff is a popular YouTube channel that provides content on all things related to motorcycles. The channel is run by a team of motorcycle enthusiasts who are passionate about sharing their knowledge and experiences with their viewers. With over 1 million subscribers and millions of views, Biker Stuff has become one of the most successful YouTube channels in the motorcycle niche. In this article, we will take a closer look at Biker Stuff's net worth, how they achieved it through their YouTube channel, and the lessons we can learn from their success. Biker Stuff's net worth. As a privately held YouTube channel, Biker Stuff's net worth is not publicly disclosed. However, the channel's success can be measured by its viewership, engagement, and sponsorship deals. Biker Stuff has been able to grow its viewership by consistently providing high-quality and engaging content to its subscribers. The channel's success can also be attributed to its focus on building a strong brand. Biker Stuff has a unique identity that sets it apart from other motorcycle channels on YouTube. The team behind the channel has a deep understanding of their audience and creates content that resonates with them. This has helped Biker Stuff build a loyal following and attract lucrative sponsorship deals with motorcycle companies. How Biker Stuff does it. One of the key factors behind Biker Stuff's success is their ability to create engaging and informative content. The channel's videos cover a wide range of topics, from motorcycle reviews to DIY maintenance and repair tips. Each video is well-researched, scripted, and professionally produced, which helps to maintain the channel's high quality and credibility. Biker Stuff also focuses on building a strong community around their channel. The team regularly interacts with their viewers through comments, social media, and meetups. This helps to build a sense of loyalty and trust among their audience, which in turn helps to drive engagement and viewership. Another factor behind Biker Stuff's success is their ability to monetize their channel. The team has been able to attract sponsorship deals from motorcycle companies and other related businesses. They also sell merchandise on their website, which helps to generate additional revenue. There are several lessons that we can learn from Biker Stuff's success on YouTube. Create high-quality content. The key to success on YouTube is creating engaging and informative content that resonates with your audience. Take the time to research your topics and produce high-quality videos that showcase your expertise and passion. Build a strong brand. Having a unique identity and brand helps to set you apart from other channels on YouTube. Develop a clear brand identity that reflects your values and interests. Focus on community building. Interacting with your viewers and building a strong community around your channel helps to drive engagement and loyalty. Take the time to respond to comments, participate in social media, and organize meetups. Monetize your channel. If you have a sizable following, consider monetizing your channel through sponsorships, merchandise sales, or other revenue streams. In conclusion, Biker Stuff's success on YouTube can be attributed to their focus on creating high-quality content, building a strong brand, and community building. By following these principles, you too can achieve success on YouTube and build a profitable brand.